Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite, and today I will show you how we can check number of apps opened each day. So you have to go for the settings. Right now you have to go for the digital well-being and the parental controls. Right now we have to go for the screen time and app timers. And here we can go for one of the application, for example for Google Play Store. And as you can see, when you scroll down, we can check how many times this application will open it. So we can go for every hour, every day. We can go back just like that for a week. As you can see, that's it. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.